welcome to Paul's Kitchen. This Paul. With me today is no one because everybody's either asleep or working, and it is what it is. So today we're going to be making some potato pancakes, and to start I'm just taking two really large potatoes and putting them through the food processor. If you don't have the attachment, regular one will work. It might take some time because it's a lot of work to do, and that's alright, but take your time and get them all minced down, and then we're going to turn them into a bowl and let them set for 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, we'll be back. So we're back for now, and so basically what I've done here is I've got this all drained. Yes, I totally get that you didn't get to see a whole lot of it. I'm just going to put a lot of extra virgin olive oil on this, and I'm only going to put a few spices on here. I'm not going to add a lot. And you really need to get a, this is smoked paprika. I really need to get a stand on here. It's a little bit too early in the morning to get Alex or anybody else. And this is smoked chipotle pepper. And I'm going to put the phone down for a second just because I need to put some ground black pepper in here. Ground black pepper is good for pretty much everything. And now what I'm going to do here, guys, is I'm going to take a wooden spoon and I'm going to mix this. You want to start preheating your oven to 450 degrees because that's how long what you need to have it. This is going to be a lengthy process here, guys, so this is not a quick recipe by any means, but if you want some hash browns in the morning, then this is a really, really excellent. Now, if you have the ability to dry this out, then, you know, do that. But it's pretty healthy. We're not adding any salt to it. Salt's no good, but potatoes are really good. Soaking it for a little bit helps alleviate the a little bit of starch, but I do want a little bit on, so that's only why I gave it 5 minutes. Alright, so now we're going to use some cooking spray on my pan here. Now if you have a baking tray, that might actually be better. And you know what? We do have a baking tray, so I don't know why I'm using this. So I'm going to use my baking tray here, and this is going to be so easy. Just a little bit of oil in here. And what we're going to do here is we're going to take this out of the tray here. We're not going to pack this down too heavy because we don't need to. Now I'm going to say 30 minutes, but keep an eye on it because a lot of times what you're going to end up happening is it doesn't actually need the full 30 minutes. We don't want this too thick. Now if you want to put a little bit of hot sauce on here, that would do wonderfully if you're somebody that can handle the hot sauce. And I'm not actually cooking for Amy because she's not even here. However, when she gets home, she may want some. Hard to say. I don't peel my potatoes because Amy has a little bit of an issue with low blood iron, and that's not a good thing. Low blood iron is a bad thing. So by leaving the skins on, like carrots and potatoes, it helps that. Now, is there still going to be starch in here? Yes, and that's what I want. Now, if you want to get rid of the starch, cut your potatoes into fries before you start to put them through the food processor, and let them soak for about 20-30 minutes. Rinse them, and then start the process. And if you do that, you shouldn't need to soak them for the 5 minutes. You can. I don't know how much difference it will make, but and all I'm using is really 2 large potatoes, some smoked paprika, chipotle pepper, and pepper. That's really it. I'm not using any binding. There's no eggs going in this. This is so simple, stupid. It's ridiculously easy. 2 potatoes, and they were rather large ones. And I might actually have enough to actually share with my roommate if she actually wants something this early. I don't know. We'll see. But it is going to take a little bit of time to get this going. So preheat your oven. I should have preheated a little bit earlier than I did, but oh well, it is what it is. So we're almost done here. We're ready to put this in. So you notice how it's not very thick. I'm not beating this down or anything. It's not packed. So I mean, it's really simple. Like, so it's almost 4:50 here. So we're gonna put this in here. Set the timer for 30 minutes, and we'll be back after this is done. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna toss them. I'm gonna toss it over. It might need it, might not. So we'll be back in 30 minutes. We'll take a look. And that's it. So we're done. So please hit the like, share, subscribe button. It means a lot to us. And this is what making cooking great again is all about. It should. This is going to be a great breakfast. I mean, put a little ketchup on it if you need to, but this is going to be great. So we appreciate it. Have a great day.